Hello, this is Darwin with APC Dynamics. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to set up and use our QuickAttach app to attach documents and files to records inside of Business Central. Now, one of the drawbacks of using the standard Business Central attachment feature is that it actually stores the file information inside of Business Central, which eats away at your capacity. With our app, we store the records directly into your SharePoint site. So in our setup page, I can set up a maximum file size. We can go anywhere between 1 and 500 megabytes. We'll define our default site name for SharePoint. We can change our SharePoint base path. So we can change this to BC Documents. And when I validate that, you'll see the paths update. Now to use this, all you need to do is go into any record, for instance, your customers list. Select the record you want to attach a file to. Then drag and drop your file into the Dropbox. And in 1 second, you'll then see we've attached that record. Now, if we go into SharePoint, we go into our Documents folder, you'll see that we've created a BC Documents folder, Customers folder, Customer 30,000 folder, and now we have the file that we attached. That's it. Now you have files stored in SharePoint but accessible inside of Business Central.